All right, welcome back. Let's go ahead and wrap up week 5 here. Okay. So the last that we left off was that we received a payment from Super A Market for invoice number 103 and 107. We gave a sales discount. So it says here that Albert submits another order for Great Restaurant, sales order number 111. Okay. Great Restaurant just wants only the 75 pounds of regular coffee and 72 pounds of Supreme coffee, right, for a total of $564.03. So we're going to go ahead and go to sales order, go to commissions, okay, or sorry, sales orders. Okay. We're going to copy Great Restaurant. So here's Great Restaurant right here. We're going to go ahead and find an empty box here down below. Here you go. Okay, sales order number 111. It is the 29. Okay. And he wants 75 and 72. Okay, so equal sum for a total of $564.03 for 564.03. Okay, perfect. Next, we're going to do in-store sales. Okay, so back to the journal. Let's see. We definitely have enough space for the sales. So let's see. Sales. So let's do this part right here. Okay. And then I'm going to post here. So, okay, yes, we definitely have enough for the cost of goods sold as well. So okay. So again, this is 629. So let's go ahead and do the in-store sales for June 29. Okay, so in this case, June 29, the sales are the checking is going to be your equal sum here. Okay, so let's go ahead and record the sales. So here we sold 250 medium regular coffees for $497.50. We sold 225 large regular coffees for $672.75. We sold 249 medium supreme coffees for $620.01. $620.01. We sold 230 cups of the large supreme coffee for $802.70, and then we sold 8 coffee mugs for $55.92, and we charged tax of $218.53. So grand total cash we received should be $2867.41. $2867.41. Awesome. Okay. So again, what we're going to do here is we're going to make our deposit. Okay, so we have our in-store sales for $2867.41. Okay, and today is the 29. Okay, and this is deposit number 14, and we're going to include the in-store sales, and the check that we received from Super A Market for a grand total of $3,812.79. Okay, so now that I deposited that, I'm going to go to my general journal, and we're going to update my general ledger for all of these accounts. So 286741. Okay. So once again, we're going to go ahead and go to my ledger to update my checking. Okay, so checking. Okay, making sure we're on the right account here. Checking. $629 in store sales. Okay. We are on general journal page 21 still. Okay, reach the end of 21. Okay. For that 286741, right? And that should increase your checking account to be a total of $8,116.11. Okay. Then let's update our sales here. Starting with, I'm going to do the ceramic coffee mugs first. So ceramic coffee mugs, we sold 8 of them. $629. Sold 8 of them. For $39.92. Nope. For $55.92. $55.92. Okay, so that should give you a total here of $1,639.14. Okay. Our medium regular cups. Okay. We sold 250 cups for a total of $497.50. Okay, which gave us a total balance of $477,401. Okay. Then our large regular coffee. Okay, we sold 225. Okay, general journal 21 for a total of $672.75. Okay, which gave me a grand total of $5,935.15. Okay. Then we sold our medium supreme coffee. Let's see, we sold a total of 249 cups. General journal 21 for a total of $620.01. $620.01, giving us a grand total of $605,817. $60.58.17. Okay. Then we sold a total of $230 cups of the large Supreme cups. General Journal 21 for a total of $802.70. Okay, $802.70, which should give you $6,857.85. Okay, so $802.70. Okay. Last but not least is sales tax payable. Okay, here you go, sales tax payable. In-store sales for General Journal, page 21. For 218.53. Which should give you $1,855.12. Okay. Okay. And then that's it. So we got to do our inventory now. Okay. So here it has told me that we used 44 pounds of the regular coffee and 45 pounds of the Supreme coffee. So 44 and 45 pounds. Okay, so you're going to go to your inventory worksheet for the regular coffee. Right? So for the 29, we sold 44 pounds or used 44 pounds at $1,662.633, which shall give you a total cost of $73.16. Okay, so again, we used 44 pounds, leaving us 115.5 for a total of $73.16. So that should leave us with $192.03. Okay, giving us a cost per item of $1.66259. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and do our Supreme coffee here. For the 45 pounds. Okay, let's see which pounds we're going to do here. So we got perfect 80 pounds at $1.89. Okay, that should be enough to cover the 45 pounds here. So you should have a total cost of $85.05. So 45 pounds. Okay, if you had 80 and you sold 45 pounds, you should have 35 left. $85.05. Okay, should give you $66.15, so you should be left with $304.90. Okay. So once again, for the Supreme coffee was $85.05. Regular coffee was $73.16. Okay, $73.16. Okay. So let's go ahead and plug our numbers into our ledger to reflect the inventory we just calculated. So cost of goods sold for regular coffee, we used 44 pounds. For 73.16 and got a total here of 1234.78. Okay. And then we used 45 pounds. For 85.05. Okay. Which gave me which gave me $1,315.41. Okay. So let's go ahead and update my inventory accordingly. Okay. Okay, so let's see. We're looking at regular coffee. Here we are. Regular coffee. We end up using 44 pounds. Page 21 for 73.16. And that should give you a total of 192.03. Okay, 192.03 is correct. Okay. Then for Supreme Coffee, you used 45 pounds. General Journal 21, where you used 85.05, which dropped you down to 304.90. I think that is correct. All right. 304.90. Yep. Okay. So there you go. We did our inventory. We did our sales. We updated everything. Okay. So then now we're finally on the new page and we are on the new day. So first thing we have here is we're going to do another purchase order number 318 to Atlas Coffee. For this time 200 pounds of regular coffee and 200 pounds of Supreme Coffee. Okay, so again, you're going to go to your purchase orders. Okay, for Atlas Coffee Importers. Okay, this time it's 200 pounds of regular coffee and 200 pounds of Supreme Coffee. Okay, the 200 regular is at $1.45 and your Supreme is at $1.69. Okay, so you should get a total of $628 even. Okay. Now, of course, we forgot again to do this one. I just remember that it was on the 29, and it was invoice number 401. Okay. right? And today is the 30th. All right? Okay, so we are on the new page, General Journal, page 22. So then it says here, right, that we received a payment from Katie's Coffee Corner for invoice number 106, check number 455. Okay, so once again, we received a check from Katie. So it is 6:30. We would be updating our checking account. Okay. So first off, let's go ahead and double confirm Katie's Coffee Corner for invoice number 106. Okay, so Katie is this one. Oh, wrong one. Bottom one. Okay. Invoice number 106. Right? She's going to make a payment on it. She only owes that one invoice for $265.43. If she's making a payment now, right, her discount due date is July 9. So she's definitely paying before that. She's paying on June 30th. So we're going to have to give her a discount. So in this case, right, if you remember, every sales that we make through our customer, right, we charge them $30 for delivery charges. So in this case, $265.43 minus 30 gives you $235.43. So again, equal round, right? We're doing $235.43 times 0.1%. Will give you $2.35. So therefore, we're going to receive a check for $263.08. So therefore, Katie will owe us nothing at the end of the day. Okay? So, once again, we gave a sales discount for $2.35 for a grand total of $263.08. Okay, $263.08. Okay, so sales discount, which was 46,000, and that's going to decrease the accounts receivable on her account for the remaining amount. So again, discount was $2.35. She is going to be sending us a check for $263.08. $263.08 with a total balance of $265.43, $265.43, which is the total amount of the accounts payable, $265.43. Okay. So once again, we're gonna go ahead and record all this information, right? We received payment from Katie's Coffee Corner, received 1% discount, check number 455. Okay, so once again, we're going to put this money in deposits from Katie. Okay, for $263.08. Yep, $263.08. Okay, and then we are going to go ahead and plug in the information. So again, let's do the subsidiary ledger since we're already there. Okay, so she is making a payment for this right here. So I'm going to highlight that green to ensure she made a payment to me. Okay, and then today's the 30th. Paid with check number 455. Received 1% discount. Okay, on invoice number 106. Okay, journal number 22 now. And then the rest. Okay. Right. All right, so that if you wanted to clear this one out as well, right, they paid for both 103 and 107. Green. Okay. And same thing with coffee bookstore. They paid 102. That was the only one that they paid for. Okay. All right, so let's see. So subsidiary ledger is done. So we need to plug our numbers into our actual ledger to update our accounts receivable account, but at the same time, our checking account. Okay. So again, checking, right? Today's 6:30. Received payment, check number 455, invoice number, general journal 22 for 263, 26308, 26308. Okay, will give me a cash value of $8,379.19. Okay, and then let's see what's next. Okay, next is the account. I'm going to do the accounts receivable now since I'm already here. It's the 29. Received payment, check number 455, 22, right, which decreased the account by 265.43, okay, and that decreased my accounts receivable to $998.78. And then last but not least, we're going to go to our revenues, which is going to go down to sales discount right here. Okay, 30, 1% discount. Okay, on invoice number 106. Okay, general journal 22 for $2.35. So therefore, total sales discount is $1,979. Okay? So I did the journal, the ledger, the subsidiary ledger. Okay? And I updated the deposits. Okay? Next we have here is we're going to deliver to Super A Market. Okay? We're going to deliver to Super A Market. Okay? So let's deliver to Super A Market, right? They wanted They wanted regular coffee, supreme coffee, all that. So I'm going to go up here and look for a similar transaction. Right here, accounts receivable. Okay. So we're on page 22. Okay, so 630. So again, accounts receivable. Okay, it's going to be equal sum. Okay, so we sold 65 pounds of regular coffee for $213.85. We sold 50 pounds of supreme coffee for $199.50. And then we also sold 18 ceramic coffee mugs for $89.82. We charged $30 delivery, so they owe me $533.17. $533.17. Okay. So let's update our ledgers, because now we have another account balance here. So, okay, assets, here we are. We left off on the accounts receivable end here. Okay, for the 30th, invoice number 110. Oh, I didn't even do the description. Okay, let's go back. Do the description. So again, we sold to Super A Market. Invoice number 110. This discount 1%, 10, net 20. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just fix this one too. Okay. Super sold to Super A Market. Invoice number 110. Okay. So again, invoice number 110. So go back to your ledger here. Invoice number 110. It is the 22nd journal for $533.17. Okay. So therefore, $1,531.95. Okay. And then we have to do our sales. So go to your revenues. Okay, so we sold on the 30th. How many pounds of the regular coffee? 65. We sold 65 pounds of the regular coffee for a total of $213.85. $213.85. Oh, $213. Yep, 85. Giving me a grand total here of $1394.96. Okay. We sold the supreme coffee, 50 pounds. For a total of $199.50. Right, which gave me a total of $1436.40. Okay. And then we sold a total of 18 ceramic coffee mugs. Okay, general journal, page 22, for a total of $89.82. Okay, for a total of $1728.96. Okay. And last but not least, we need to do a delivery charge here. Delivery income, here you go. Invoice number 110. Okay, general journal 22 for $30. So that should give you a total of $300. Okay. Okay. So once now that we did the journal, we did the ledger, we need to now update the subsidiary ledger. Okay, to give Super A Market. So right now, Super A Market owes us nothing right now, but now that we just issued them another sale, right, for sales order number 110, invoice number 110, 22nd journal here, we gave them the same opportunity discount for the same again. So again, 10 days from now is going to be the 10th of July. 20 days from now is going to be the 20th of July. Okay, for the grand total amount of $533.17. Okay, so then they now owe us $533.17. Okay, and of course, I'm going to give Albert his commission. So again, here's sales order number 110 for $533.17. Today is the 30th. $630, invoice number 110. So $533.17 is going to go to Albert. Okay, for Super A Market, 110, $533.17. For 40% of that is $213. Okay, and 27 cents. So therefore, we are going to add these values up together, and we now owe Albert $1,087.09. Okay. And then now next is going to be, right, we did the ledger, the journal, or the journal, the ledger, subsidiary ledger, and the commission. So now we need to just update the inventory. Okay, because we sold 65 pounds of the regular and 50 pounds of the supreme. So you're going to go to regular. Okay, today's the 30th. We sold 65 pounds. Okay, at currently $1.6625. So that's going to give you a total of $108.07. Let's update my inventory because we had 115 and we just sold 65. So you now have 50.5 pounds left. Okay. And once again, 50.5 pounds left at $83.96. Okay. So then, Supreme Coffee, we sold 50 pounds. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Once again, we need to split our pounds again because we only have 35 left remaining from this batch of inventory. We're going to dip into our second one here. So, or this last one here. So 35 at $1.89 gives you $66.15. So 35 pounds. Right? And then I think we need to sell 15 to reach our goal of 50 pounds. Okay. And this is going to be a calculation here. All right, we're going to add these values up together as well. Okay, so we know that 35 pounds is at $1.89, which gives us $66.15, which we already know. So we can get rid of that one. Okay, and then we know that we need to sell 15 pounds at $1.91. Okay, so 15 pounds at $1.91 is going to give you $28.65, $28.65. So you're going to get a total of $94.80. Okay, $94.80 in grand total. Okay, so those 15 pounds gave you $28.65. $28.65. Okay, so then here, right, you had 125, then you sold 15 from this, so you should get 210.10. Yep, 210.10. Okay. So again, for Supreme is 94.80. Okay. And regular is going to be 108.07. 108.07. Okay. And we sold to Super A Market with invoice number 110. Okay. So once again, I'm going to update my ledger so then it matches my numbers in my inventory worksheet here. So cost of goods sold for my regular coffee, $6.30, right? We sold 65 pounds. For 108.07, and that should give you your grand total of $1342.85. Then you sold 50 pounds of the Supreme for $94.80, which should give you a grand total of $1410.21. So once again, we're going to update my inventory for the regular coffee and Supreme coffees. Okay, here's my regular coffee account. Okay. We sold sold 65 pounds at General Journal page 22 for 108.07, and that should give you an ending balance of $83.96. And does that match? $83.96 does match. Okay. Last but not least, we have my Supreme Coffee. I sold 50 pounds on General Journal 22 for $94.80. So I should have 210.10, right? And I know that's true. Okay. Okay. So now that I updated my inventory, right? So now let's go ahead and continue on with the scenario here. So we sold to Super A Market, so all we have left is this in-store sales, and of course we got to fill our truck up with gas. So first things first, let's go ahead and record those daily sales that we have here. Okay, let's see, that should be plenty enough space for you to go ahead and copy and paste this in-store sales right here. Okay. 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 So this is June 30th. Right? This is going to be a sum of my sales here. So let's see. We sold 225 of my medium regular coffee for $447.75. We sold 190 cups of my large regular coffee for $5, $6, $8, $10. We sold 240 of my my medium Supreme for $5, $9, $7, $60. 191 of my large Supreme for $6, $6, $6, $59. And then, of course, 5 of the ceramic coffee mugs for $34.95. And then we were charged tax for $190.99. So giving us a grand total of $25.05.98. $25.05.98. Okay? So let's go ahead and deposit that money into my checking account for the in-store sales for the $25.05.98. Okay, so $25.05.98. Today is the 30th. Okay, so this is deposit number 15, and it's going to include both of these, Katie's check and the in-store sales for $2,769.06. Okay. And then, let's see. Let's go ahead and record these sales and update my checking account. Starting with our checking account ledger. Okay, here we are, checking account. Okay. It is the 30th. Okay. We got in-store sales. Okay, General Journal 22. Right, still on page 22 here. Yes, we just reached the bottom of page 22. Okay. And let's see, for $25.05.98. Okay, $25.05.98. So therefore, that should give me a total cash in my bank to be $10,885.17. Okay. Now we need to record my sales here. So revenues, starting with my ceramic coffee mugs. Okay. It's the 30th. I know that we sold 5, I believe. Yep, 5 of those coffee mugs for $34.95. So your total ceramic coffee mug sales are $1763.91. Okay. Your total sales for, or in this case, your medium regular coffee. Okay. We sold 225 cups. General Journal, page 22, for a total of 44775. Okay, which gave me a grand total of 5221.76. Okay. For my large regular coffee, we sold a total of 190 cups. Okay, General Journal, page 22, for the 568.10. 568.10, which gave me a grand total of 6503.25. Okay, so for the medium supreme coffee, let me double check that number. Sorry, 568.10. Okay, so the medium supreme coffees, we sold a total of 240 units, 240 cups. General Journal, page 22, for a total of $597.60, which gave me a grand total of 665577. Okay, and last but not least, or actually we still got sales tax. Last for the cups here for the sales, we sold a total of, I believe, 199. Let's see, 191 cups. Okay, General Journal, page 22, for a total of 666,666.59. Okay, and that gave me a grand total of $7,524.44. Okay, and then last but not least, sales tax payable. Okay, so it's the 30 for in-store sales. General Journal, page 22, for the grand total of $190.99. Right, which gives you a grand total of $2,046.11. Okay. Right, and now I need to do update my cost of goods sold here, because I use 38 pounds of regular coffee and 40 pounds of supreme coffee. So 38 regular, 40 supreme. Okay, so again, today we had week sales because it was Sunday. Okay, we used 38 pounds of regular coffee at $1.6625. Okay, which gave me $63.18. And I'm going to update my inventory because I used 38 pounds, meaning I should have 12 and a half pounds left remaining at a grand total cost of $20.78. Okay. Okay. All right. 63.18. And then my Supreme coffee, right? I used 40 pounds of my Supreme coffee at $1.91. Okay, because it's the only batch I have left, which is going to equal $76.40. $76.40. Okay, so let's go ahead and subtract that out. 110 minus 40 gives me 70 pounds. Okay, I'm at 210 minus, is it 76.40? Yep, 76.40. 76.40. I should have left remaining $133.70. Okay. So my Supreme coffee was 76.40. Okay, Supreme is 76.40. And my regular is 63.18. Okay, 63.18. Okay, so let's get in-store sales. Okay, so let's update my ledger to reflect the numbers I calculated. Okay, starting with the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold for the regular coffee. Right, I used 38 pounds for 63.18, right, which should give me a grand total of 140,603. Okay, and of course my cost of goods sold for my Supreme coffee. Okay, we used 40 pounds for 76.40, which should give me a grand total of 1486.61. 1486.61. Okay, and then let's go ahead and update my inventory accounts here. Starting with my regular coffee here. Okay, 630. We used 38 pounds for 63.18, which left me with $20.78, which is true. Okay, and my Supreme coffee. I used 40 pounds for 76.40, and that should give me 133.70. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Last transaction we have here for the month before we stop and do our unadjusted trial balance is we decided to purchase some gas using our business credit card. So again, you had some travel expenses, so $630. You had some travel expenses. Travel expense, and you paid with the Visa payable or Visa credit card. Okay, and of course, this was General Gas and Motors. Okay, you purchased how many? 23 gallons, 23 gallons. Okay, sales receipt number 5864812. Okay, and Visa's 22,000. Travel expense is account number 63,000 for a total of $91.31. $91.31. So now that I got my journal done, I know this is going to be my last transaction here. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that line again. Okay. And it's going to be for the unadjusted trial balance. Okay, because that will be the end of my transactions. So now let's go ahead and do my ledger for the travel expenses. Okay, here we are, travel expenses. Today is the 30th, so let me go ahead and insert one more row here. Okay, so it is the 30th. Okay, you purchased 23 gallons of gas. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one here. General Journal, page 22 for $91.31. Okay, which gives you a grand total expenditure on gas expenses for $271.07. Okay, and of course we got to update our Visa payable because we used our credit card to pay for this gas. So I'm going to insert one more row in here. It's the 30th. You purchased 23 gallons of gas. Okay. It is journal number 22. And you charged your card for $91.31. So therefore, your ending balance in your credit card is a total of $2,156.96. Okay? And that is it for all those transactions. So save your work because then now we're going to complete our unadjusted trial balance.